Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy tickets for Statue of Liberty. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to this link right here, and after that you just scroll down, and in here you have all the tickets that you can buy. So you have something like the Crown Reserve, the General Admission, and you can simply press on whatever you want. Let's say for example we just wanted to buy the normal ticket. You can press on Buy Now. And you can select whether you're in New Jersey or New York. So it's going to be showing you the track and the way that it's going to go from. And after that, you press on Buy from New York. And after that, you press on Check Availability. And in here, you can check which time suits you better. Let's say, for example, on November the 12th. And in here, you can check how many tickets you want. Let's say we just want one for an adult. And after that, you have to press on Buy Now. And then it's going to lead you to this page right here where you have to enter your full name and then the booking details, your first and your last name, and also your number. And after you fill in all the information, you're going to go to the payment details where you have to pay and you'll be ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. That was the video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Cheers.